Here we are again, ready to make another video. I guess you could say I'm your How to Make Money Taking Surveys helper, David. And I'm back again. And we're here to explore another survey site. And the one today that we're going to be looking at is Springboard America. And it is a pretty good site. I like it. I guess I can mention right off the bat, well, we're on the main homepage, if you didn't know. But it does say in the middle, welcome to Springboard America. And you have immediately to update profile, which is to easily update your email address, password, and personal information. And if you click on, you can see points. That's the points that you have that you've earned, for rewards. But basically, well, I know I was going to say something, but I guess on this main homepage, if I scroll down just quickly, you see available surveys. There are none at this time. In the middle, toward the top there, and it says find more surveys, which is basically telling there's no more surveys at the moment. You have recent news. You can view winners who won. They have sweepstakes, which a lot of the sites do have the sweepstakes, but here they specifically talk about it, and you can look into it. You have a quick poll. Which of these perks would be worth salary dip at work? Choose something here. There you go. Do a quick poll. Doesn't really pay you anything. And then here is, I guess, from somebody talking about the site, this person here. You can refer a friend, anyone you think might be interested, Here it talks about total value awarded to members in July alone. Just in July, $65,000 in total value, which I guess don't know exactly what they're specifically talking about, but okay. But anyway, this is the main page. I know there was something I was going to mention before, but I will at the end go back to the beginning, where you would be at the page where to say you've logged out, that you would want to log in or sign up. And, I basically do that backwards because that way, why show the information that I'm logging in with and stuff like that, because, things happen. So just to be safe, I already have myself logged in here, and you can see toward the right upper is log out. That would be to log out, obviously, out of the thing. And I want to say we're at the home, but if you look under Springboard America, your opinion in action, just below that says home. And I clicked on home, and I have a feeling that's where we're at, so I don't think it's going to really do anything. If you go to profile, you'll see profile, and here is just basically my email, my first and last name, which is the basic, and you could update it, whatever. You have for a thing for password, and then of course if you want to unsubscribe and you want to get out. Now here it has down here, update your profile. So I'm clicking on that and see exactly what that shows you. And then here it's got update key profile information, and enable us to invite you to relevant surveys. So it says here, please select all the details you would like to update from the list below. And then you would hit the next button over here that you see toward the bottom right. And then, but if you do not want to update, you click and return to your account. So I'm not ready to update right now. So here we go. And then if I go back to home, you'll see where home takes us back to the beginning. Okay, so that was, and we were on profile. So now if I click on surveys, you'll see here it's telling you there are no current surveys. And if there were profiling surveys, which is where we are with the profile, it would then tell you to do that. So there's nothing much there. You do have in the middle where it says find more surveys in the home complete middle toward the bottom. Then it's got for a thing for Twitter, Facebook, and I think that's Instagram. So they obviously have things that you could do, probably on those sites, in relation to the Springboard America. Then at the very bottom in the middle, you have about, which is about them, whatever. It might have ways to get in touch with them. Privacy policy, the terms and conditions of the site, and then you have contact. Well, there's the actual contact information as far as getting in touch, and then the frequently asked questions, which is whatever questions you might possibly have about the site, and so forth. But anyway, we're on the surveys one, and now if I click on the rewards link here, it shows you all the prize draw entries because you get entered into sweepstakes for taking surveys, whether you qualify or not. And you can see here the date, description, the draw for participation sweepstakes, or it could be apparently for profiling sweepstakes. And I guess if it was a profiling survey or something like that, and then you have one entry, and you see all these entries going all the way down. This is going into June. I mean, we're in August. This is going into May, all the way to April. And these are just sweepstakes that you can be entered into winning a good amount of money. Now, also here's survey points. And if I click on survey points, this I know opens up another window. And it's going to show me what my rewards points are at the moment, which is Springboard America, nice big thing here. Rewards balance, 1,360. Well, when you get 5,000 points, that's when you reach the $50 mark, basically, like it even says here. You need 5,000 points. And here are some of the things that you can claim. You have $50 Starbucks e-gift. You have Amazon gift cards. You have iTunes gift cards. You have PayPal. If you do have a PayPal account, your email must be where you get surveys as the same, basically is the same as your email address for PayPal. It's got to be the same as where you get the surveys from here. And you have, which is actually a pretty good one, the virtual Visa I like. That's $50. And if you claim it for a physical one, you pay $5 for that. And then here you have other ones. You have Target, Best Buy. This is Darden, which is a restaurant gift card, Applebee's, Home Depot, Lowe's, CVS, Panera, Cheesecake Factory, Bed Bath & Beyond. I mean, it just goes on and on. Bath & Body Works, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods. Here's AMC Theaters, Barnes & Noble, Doctors Without Borders, charity thing, and UNICEF charity. So anyway, that would be to see your rewards, and if you want to claim your rewards, then now you have the news, and these are recent news where it's got winners for each month, starting from April, going all the way back. And then you have a welcome aboard newsletter, which you would get, when you sign up. And then you have your refer a friend, which is to get somebody who might be interested. And they show you here, if you invite your friends and family to join Springboard America via email or social media and earn 200 points for each referral. 200 points really isn't a lot, but it's something. And then if they sign up and they participate in at least 2 surveys within their first month. So, I mean, that's a kind of a lot to happen for 200 points. But the main thing of it is that you're taking surveys, you're getting rewards for doing that. And that's the most important thing. If someone else wants to join in on the fun, that's fine. That's all good and all. And I go back to the home page. And so basically, there's not much to see here on the site. It's basically when you get the emails to take surveys and you take them. And of course, most people like me want more the merrier. You just want a lot of surveys, and that's what makes the thing. That's what really makes makes you the extra money and stuff like that. It's not about how many friends do you have, how many this, how many that. It's like you have this survey that you're a member of, and when you get the surveys, it only goes hand in hand that if you qualify for the surveys, then you're going to get the rewards. Now, you can't always qualify for everything, and that's just the way it is. I mean, it happens. But if you're if you're into a lot of different things in your life, I mean, that obviously always helps. There's some people that smoke, and then some people that drink. You get surveys for those type of things, and then of course there's people that let's say you have a mobile account, phone account. You have your cable. There's all sorts of things that you could get surveys to take on. Sometimes you get to take surveys for different products, ideas that they might want to know your opinion. So anyway, there's all sorts of stuff you could do. Maybe not so much on the site itself, but and getting surveys, you could certainly make your voice known, and you can get eventually rewards for it and be able to claim, as you saw some of the rewards that you can claim. So now if I log out, you're going to see that this takes you to the main page, and a Springboard America there near the top, your opinion in action, and then you'll see more to the right side, upper to the right side, not a member, join now. Okay, that you would click, which I'll do in a minute. And then if you scroll all the way down, there's the login to log in if you're a member already. If you forget your password, you can reset it down there. Here's another quick poll that I just happened to throw here. Do you find it difficult to get used to a new routine? And you just answer that if you want. It's not a big deal. But if I was going to join and I click on the join now button, here it says member registration. Welcome to Springboard America. If you join, you will be entered into a $1,000 draw, and there's sweepstakes rules to read. You also maybe want to read the privacy policy, terms and conditions. That's up to you. If you want to learn more about Springboard America, there's the site, the main site to go into, and you could read all about that. And before maybe you don't know if you want to join. It doesn't hurt to join. You don't pay for anything, and if you decide you don't like it, then that's it. You can get out of it. But I'm just going to click next real briefly. See, and here it is, member registration. Here it's about you, your basic information, where you live, your education, employment status, and you just continue on and on and on, and you answer all these questions, and then eventually you'll become member. You'll be a member. Probably they'll send you an email that you have to verify your email address, and the usual stuff that you do with a lot of these sites, and that basically that's pretty much covering the site. I guess it's a fairly simple kind of basic site, even though it's like the rewards you can get are not basic and simple. And I could sometimes be claiming on this site the $50 Visa card. Maybe every few months. I don't know if that seems like a lot or little to you, but it's certainly when you consider all the sites that I belong to, you getting rewards from all different places, all different kinds of Amazon reward codes and Visa cards and Walmart card, e-gift cards or physical Walmart cards. It's just really, there's a lot of potential and choices that you have and sites that you can get into. You could find yourself having a nice little extra bit of money or reward or Amazon codes or gift cards coming. You might not almost really realize it until one day it's like, wow, months have gone by and look at all these rewards I have. So, well, basically, that's the end of that site. And so I guess we'll hope to talk to you again soon with another video.